Ubisoft failed to synchronize cloud saves, the fallout of poor customer service. Ubisoft, one of the leading game developers in the industry, recently faced backlash from gamers due to its failure to synchronize cloud saves. This issue affected players' ability to access their saved progress in games, causing many to lose hours of gameplay and ultimately lost faith in Ubisoft's ability to provide a quality gaming experience. When gamers encountered this problem, they turned to Ubisoft's customer support for help. Unfortunately, they were met with slow and unresponsive service. Many gamers reported that it took weeks for Ubisoft to acknowledge the issue and provide a resolution. This lack of communication and action left gamers feeling frustrated and helpless. Ubisoft's failure to synchronize cloud saves had a significant impact on the gamers' experience and trust in the company. Gamers invest time and money into their favorite games, and losing progress due to technical issues is a major letdown. The inability to access saved progress can also discourage gamers from continuing to play the game, ultimately leading to a loss in a revenue for the developers. Ubisoft's handling of this issue serves as a reminder of the importance of customer service and communication. In this game industry, where technology is constantly evolving, technical issues are inevitable. However, it's how companies handle these issues that determines their success and reputation. When technical issues arises, it's essential that companies communicate with their customers in a timely and transparent manner. They should also provide solutions and compensation for the losses incurred by gamers. In Ubisoft's case, the compensation package provided was too little, too late, and many gamers had already lost faith in the company. In conclusion, Ubisoft's failure to synchronize cloud saves had a significant impact on the gamers' experience and trust in the company. The company's slow response and inadequate compensation package caused many gamers to lose faith in their ability to provide a quality gaming experience. This highlights the importance of companies taking their customers' experience seriously and providing timely and adequate solutions to issues. Gamers invest time and money into their favorite games, and they deserve to have their issues addressed promptly and with care. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.